Hi guys, here we go again. Yeah, for today's vlog guys, I will have to color my hair yellow color. This. Can you see this? This is yellow. Yeah, this color. Get ready, get ready. Oh my gosh, this is too bright. Too bright guys, too bright. As bright as the sunshine. Nice day today in England. It's already yellow. Alright guys, so we'll wait for 30 minutes. See you in a bit. Hi guys, I'm back. Here we go. My hair color. So this is the outcome guys. The color is really yellow. I think it's brighter than the sunshine. Oh my gosh. Very, very bright yellow. Yeah. I think it's quite successful, guys. Nice. It's melon color. No, just joking. It's canary yellow from crazy color. Yeah, it's beautiful. I love it. Well, look at here. There. Beautiful. And there. Yeah. I love it. Beautiful. The color is beautiful. Alright guys. Thank you very much for watching. See you again soon. Ta-ra! The color is canary color from crazy color. So this is what I will have to use for my hair. Okay, so let's wait and see the color. Oh my goodness. Woo!